What could be a reason when we got clicks on relevant keywords, but without any conversion? Ooh, this is my favorite topic ever, and you get to hear me rant about it. What is relevancy and what is a relevant keyword? Many people think of the word of relevancy and think, oh, this is a deck of cards. So therefore, the keyword cards should be exceptionally relevant to this product, right? The answer is no, because people might be searching for a deck of playing cards. They might be searching for cards for Valentine's Day. They might be searching for cards against humanity, right? Just because a keyword fits the description of what your product is does not mean that it is a relevant keyword to your product based on how customer intent to buy works. So what makes a keyword relevant to your product? Super simple. Does it have clicks? Does it get conversions for your product? Cool. That's a relevant keyword. Simple as that at the end of the day. Relevancy is not a general just term of something is relevant. It is an actual data-driven term. It is, does this keyword match my product and are people clicking on it and converting on it based on what my product is and what they are searching for? That is what relevancy is. My product complete its relevant definition, which you just elaborated, but I got impression clicks and conversions, but sometime it only cost me without any sales. What could be the reason of that gap? I don't think you're getting conversions because you just said you're getting conversions, but then you're also not getting any sale. But let's say it only costs you sometimes. You're saying sometimes. I think what you're actually saying here is that sometimes during the day you get a lot of clicks and no sales. Okay, what I would do is go into your campaign, go to advertising reports, pull a report for your campaign by the hour and look specifically at the hours of the day that you are getting clicks but no conversions. Most of the time, those are going to be in the middle of the night. What you then want to do is you want to set up budget rules so that you lower your overall normal budget and set up a budget rule so that your budget increases only during the times of day in which you are typically getting some form of sale. That's going to be probably your best avenue here it's essentially just setting up those budget rules. It's called day parting if you're curious on it and you want to look up more information. But that's the easiest way to ensure that essentially you're not overspending at any point in time for any reason. How do tacos and organic rank correlate in your strategy? Quite a bit. So they're more so synonymous with each other, right? So I always have this idea that if you want to have a consistent 10% tacos, that's fine. It does not matter how much you spend on advertising, so long as your tacos stays consistent. Because if your tacos, you're spending $10,000 a month on ads, right? And you're making $100,000 in sales. Your tacos is 10%. If you increase your ad budget and you spend $100,000 on ads the next month, but you make $1 million in sales, you are still at 10% tacos. You are still making the same margins that you were, just at a larger overall volume of sales. So tacos is your number one stat for that. Now, the only way that works is if alongside your ad strategy, you are growing your organic sales at the same time. And an easy rule of thumb is basically for every one PPC sale, you should see 2 to 3 organic sales over the following 6 months. What criteria do you use to negate a keyword? Clicks, spend, or conversion data? Funny enough, I don't know if you follow our founder, Stephen Pope, or not on LinkedIn, but you should, because Stephen actually literally just had a post about this, but we recently talked about negation. The answer to kind of get through this or whatever is that typically speaking, if you're seeing that you get between 15 and 20 clicks without any form of sale, that's usually the time in which I'm going to consider it a potential negation for a keyword. Now, if it's a keyword that costs me 5 cents, and I'm getting 20 clicks from 5 cents and it's cost me, $1, let's say, in total budget, and I haven't gotten a sale and I do that in a day, probably not, right? But the general rule of thumb I always use is 15 to 20 clicks without any form of sale is something I'm going to negate from a keyword or a search term perspective.